Okay, so we're sitting at fucking Egg Hill.
We're currently at Egg Hill. It took us 10 years to get here.
It took us forever to get here. And
it's scary.
we were trying to find some paranormal activity.
We hear rain.
That's about it.
That's about it. But it's really fucking creepy.
It is really creepy getting here. The road is nuts. There's tons
It
of
took us fucking
trees.
2 hours. Holy fucking shit.
We're tripping our asses off in the freaking middle of the woods. We have the car shut off because we're low on gas. The gas light is on.
It's so cool though.
The gas light's on. There's 3 girls. Wait. Gas light's on. 3 pretty girls out in the middle of the fucking woods.
Oh my god.
This is crazy. This is like, this happens in fucking movies. And
Are we seriously talking about this right now?
Why are you yelling?
I'm not.
You are.
I don't mean to.
And you're scaring me.
I'm just fucked up.
She's scary.
I want to take some pictures. This is really messed up.
I want to get out, right? But I don't.
I'm
Get
gonna
out, Jess. Here,